Welcome back to Potted Living, the show where we teach you how to grow all kinds of fruits and vegetables on your patio or the garden space, growing them in pots and containers. And here I've got my top hat blueberry. This is next to my pink lemonade. And just an update video for you here. The flowers, I do not have a pollinator. I just have the one blueberry, but sure enough, here we go. We've got fruit. And so as you can see, the fruit is starting to form. And this is a very common look. You'll see the flowers turn brown. I know a lot of online resources tell you that your flowers are gonna drop off if it was successfully pollinated, but in my case, the flowers just turned brown and the fruit was left behind, letting me know we've got successful pollination. So this is, as you know from my previous videos, if you've watched them, I've never had success with blueberries, so this was a successful year. The only thing that I changed this year, the only thing, was the soil acidity. I made sure that I had a properly acidic soil this year, and that seems to be the game changer for setting fruit. I didn't see a lot of bees. I'm sure they were around. As I mentioned, I don't have another pollinating plant because my pink lemonade is flowering at a different time, and it's not of the same variety anyway. Pink lemonade is a rabbit eye. This is a low bush. So, you know, it's working. I'll keep you updated as to how this goes, but again, this was all just acidic soil, making sure that I had a nice well-draining acidic soil, got some mulch to keep everything moist and keep the soil happy, but acidity seems to be the key. I'm using an organic fertilizer. I showed you in a previous video, but if you're curious, hit me up in the comments, and that's where we're at. So stay tuned, another video coming with the blueberries. Oh, and by the way, it was about 95% of the flowers set, which is amazing. So we'll see how that goes when they turn into blueberries. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel and like this video if you found it helpful.